Hi friends, in previous video I discussed about social media job that pays you decent money. If you didn't watch that video, don't worry. I will provide link of that video in description. In this video I will show you how to make money consistently by uploading pre-made videos on YouTube. Let me share you the exclusive information. Have you made videos ever? If yes, then you might know that it is not easy job. Many YouTubers can't make video consistently because of hectic process of making it, and consistency is key to become a successful YouTuber. To make a consistent profit, if you get pre-made videos and have to just upload in given account, how much videos will you upload? Best part, you will not do it for free. You will be paid nearly $1,000 per week. Leave it for a while. Do you like watching travel vlogs on YouTube? They are quite informational and fun to watch. But would you like to make $950 a week by uploading travel vlogs on YouTube without needing travel? Okay, let me explain. Some travel vloggers are looking for YouTube users to upload content on their YouTube channels on their behalf, which means you don't have to travel anywhere to make videos. The videos are pre-made. You just have to upload them on their YouTube channels. The content will be provided to you by email. You just have to download it and upload it as it is. If you know how to upload videos on YouTube, then you are already qualified for this job. You just need to apply. You just need an internet connection and a laptop, tablet or a smartphone. No previous experience is needed at all. If you know how to use YouTube, then you can apply for it. I am revealing this website in a moment, so you can apply it directly. This website is called payingsocialmediajobs.com. I am providing official link of this website in description, so you can check it. This website is a leader since 2012. Joining it is super simple. Just go to the first link in the description, click it, you will be at this page. You can get all the information here. Just click apply button. You will see the page creating your own account at the website. Just fill the required information and you done it. Join this website and explore the jobs available there and earn. I will discuss much more about social media jobs in next videos. So don't forget to subscribe this channel so you can get notifications instantly. To join payingsocialmediajobs.com, click the first link in the description right now. Till then, lots of happiness and love from me. Thank you.